And I'm sitting by the window 'cause my furniture got sold. Ain't got no lights in the house and it's freezing fucking cold. But the bowl rolls. The bowl rolls. Somebody's in the bushes, so I'm walking around to look. I got a 2-liter Mountain Dew bottle and some Sudafed to cook. They call me a chemist, they say I'm Breaking Bad. And I think I should stop this, 'cause I'm looking kinda bad. But the bowl rolls. And the bowl rolls. The meth pipe rolls. And the blowtorch strikes. I'm sitting on my floor, trying to do this ice. And the bowl rolls all out of control, speeding up my heart when the meth.
Put a one in the chat if you guys can hear me. Put a one in the chat. Put a one in the chat. All right. I hope people can hear me. My audio may be messed up. Just checking. Okay. We got a special guest in the house. How you doing?
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing great. I'm laughing my ass off from what we was talking about.
Yeah.
So you've got to tell everybody this, because I'm getting strangest text messages. Like some of the text messages I'm getting from numbers I've never seen before, and they're like I was telling you, there's like, well, how big is it? How big are you? Can I see it? Do you still have your 6-pack? Just shit like that from different things. So can you tell me what's going on and what they've called you and talked to you about?
Okay, well, for some reason, people think that Ernie has explicit videos and photos of Smoky Mountain Mama.
Mhm.
And everybody thought, for some reason, that Ernie shared them with me. I wouldn't want to see them. But I know that Ernie does not have them. So they're thinking, oh my goodness, well, if Ernie's received all this, what's going on? What does Ernie have? Why is Ernie there?
Well, I'm there. I was there. Well, I'm there for a reason. Let's just say that. And I was waiting for him to just come back because I want to meet him. I really want to shake his hand. I won't break his hand. I mean, shake his hand.
Right.
But anyways, he. I don't know if he. I mean, when people said that he wants to wear my skin, I really am starting to believe that. I'm scared to death. I'm starting to believe that he really does want to wear my skin.
I told you. Um, I mean, we didn't see him have a hat like Jimbo does, but that's because he never showed himself before he
Right.
went to Florida. So, that's the only reason we didn't see the cowboy hat. But there is another content creator out there that really, really wants to wear your skin, and they're wearing a cowboy hat all the time, and they're wearing the affliction shirts, and all of a sudden they got a country draw.
Oh yeah.
Isn't that weird?
I know I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. I mean, I don't even know what I'm going to do about it, because I see these people and I'm like, are they really that strange? I mean,
Yeah.
well, you don't know someone until you know them.
Right.
And I thought the only person that really sent me any videos was C'est La Vie. So, and she sent me some
Taylor,
nice.
shame on you.
Selah sent me some nice videos and a nice picture. I
Oh,
mean, I'm telling you, full moon frenzy ain't the word for it, and
well,
that's why I named it. And I named this. I kind of named it because Selah's got a nice back end. I'm just going to say that's it. I ain't going to say much about it, but this text messages, people texting me and saying that they want to see it. They want to, and I'm sitting here like, oh my god. And then all of a sudden you text me or you message me, and I'm like, oh, this is weird. This is kind of like what I'm getting, but they want to see me. I don't know why they want to see me for.
well, you know what, Ernie? I know the last 2 years, a lot of people have seen photos of you laying down without your shirt on, you
Oh yeah.
standing up in the bathroom with just your towel
Mhm.
and your hat and all that. Maybe that's what got these couple individuals' juices going of wanting to wear your skin.
Right.
Might
Well,
be.
I'm going to go get an axe tomorrow when it's daylight. I'm going to take my shirt off. I'm going to go out to the wood pile with the neighbor. The neighbor's actually got a wood pile. I'm going to go. I'm going to let somebody hold the phone, and I'm going to let them take pictures or a video of me chopping wood. Probably
Yeah.
just photo or something like that, maybe.
Right.
And I'm gonna have to wear my hoodie that way nobody can see my face. Don't want to see the old scars and stuff on my face and all that now. But I'm gonna let everybody see my body and let me chop some wood or something like that. And then I don't know what they're gonna do with it, but that's the only picture they're getting. I ain't doing the rest of what they're telling me to do, unless I have like an OnlyFans or something like that. If I'm making money at it, I might. I don't know.
Yeah, to do me, I would save those, do it OnlyFans, make money off of it. That's what I would do.
That's the only way. So
Stop giving it for free, Ernie.
supposedly, this is crazy. I was on a three-way call with her when this was happening. He calls her and he's crying like, you showed Ernie the pic, or you sent Ernie the video. You sent the video of you fingering yourself while you was in the towel, and I can't believe it. And he was, oh my god, he was crying. I was getting ready to get a drink of Mountain Dew, and I come when they said spitting it out. It come out my nose. It was the funniest shit ever. I was laughing my ass off because oh my god, but it's always something vulgar with him. Like he's just, I don't know. I was looking at photos of him when he was younger, and you can see that psychotic look at him. You've seen it, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Like it's just that stare that he's got, that predatorial stare. And I'm like, oh my God, what, what's got into him to be so crazy?
Right. And these women, like I was telling you, these women do that too. Like, I don't try to throw shade on anyone, but I know from experience in life of what I've seen how a lot of these women get up in these guys' heads, and these women don't even really have to be anything special. You know what I'm saying? Like most
Right.
women would think, oh, she's got to be beautiful, she's got to have a tight body, or she's got to have this and that. Let me tell you what, my first husband cheated on me all the time. I married him when I was 16. So like, what do you expect? I was 16, he was 17. I was 8 months pregnant when we got married. So he was cheating on me before we even got married. He's a young, dumb kid. I wasn't that smart, obviously. But here I'm thinking in my head, it's because I had two babies. I put on all this weight. He did call me a fat bitch a lot because we argued or whatever. But I would go see these women in person, and I'm like, that's what you were cheating on me with? And then I'd go look in the mirror trying to pick apart what's wrong with me. But I'm saying a lot of these women don't have to be anything special, but they can have that tongue of the damn devil and manipulate. And I'm telling you, it's going full circle with these two.
Well, he for the whole year and a half, he wore my eyeball. Remember that? His profile
Yeah,
picture was my eye.
yeah,
That
it's
was kind of
weird.
scary. I mean, it was really scary.
It's weird.
So, I want everybody to know that I'm not the only one that's wanted now in Tennessee. There's another little dude wanted. So when they go to serve him with what they've got on him, that they know where it's at. Hopefully this will be tomorrow.
Mm.
Ghost says it's Sapphire, its own panel.
Yep, it's
Ghost is
Ghost's mama.
good.
It's
Ghost
Ghost's mama.
Ghost is good when it comes to labeling people and finding out who people are. I'm telling you.
Yes, he's great. Ghost has got it. Ghost
Uh,
and
C'est la vie says she's so tight she can be dangerous. Wow, that's good to know, Taylor. That's really good
Sayla.
to know. Sayla's like that. I mean, Sayla's a freak. Good God.
She is. And you know
Sayla,
what though? Sayla's a pretty girl and she's a good girl. I think
she is a very
Sayla
pretty girl.
is more talk than she is anything. She
You think
likes
she
to
just
be
talks it?
funny. Yeah, she talks.
Well, the way she read that comment, and this is comment to me, I'm telling you, it made me very interested. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep the whole night.
Oh Lord. These girls, they get me going all the time.
Oh, I
Sayla,
can imagine.
Raylan, Peach, Oppo. Oh my gosh, these girls crack me up. I love them. And I had to make a statement 2 nights ago to someone.
Right.
I said, we were labeled the Mean Girls, and we
Mm-hmm.
embraced that name. We love it. We
All
think
right.
it's hilarious. I said, we, out of all of this bullshit that has went on, it has been a huge group of women that have bonded together like a sisterhood.
Right.
We have embraced each other emotionally.
Mm-hmm.
We've supported each other. We've
Mm-hmm.
been there for each other. I
So,
said, and look at everybody fall around us.
oh yes, Sapphire, take over for just 1 minute, okay?
Okay. Oh, goodness, guys. All right, let me go to chat. Now, I've never done this. All right. Ask me a question and don't make it weird, okay? I love you too, Sayla. All right. I'm looking. Can one of my kids ask? No, never mind. Someone else. I'm not going to ask one of my kids. I'm not going to allow my kids, especially if Traders was in the room. Hey, Army Vet. It's always coming in hot. Oh, my goodness. So is everybody having a good night? I love you too, Renee Marie. Let's see. Ghost, you just keep laughing. Be nice, boys. So, okay, Raylan, you love all of us. I'm gonna say this one more time. No, I do not have any videos of Smoky Mountain Mama, nor
Or
photos.
me, or me.
Or no, and none of Ernie either. We are platonic friends.
Very platonic.
Thank you, Barbara. You're a sweetheart. Um, Me and Ernie get along really, really good. We always just talk about YouTube, what's going on. I'll say hi, he says hi. And I don't know why. I mean, if Ernie had videos like that, why do they think I would be? Ernie, why do
Here's
they
the
think
thing.
you would share them with me?
Here's the thing. If I've got videos of anybody of any I do have videos. I have pictures and videos of all kind of creators that are
Okay,
women. That are women.
I
But
bet.
I mean, I talk about it, but I don't show them.
Right,
I mean, I don't show them and everything.
right. And you wouldn't show them to me, of all people. I mean, like, what are we gonna do? Sit here and have the beer and be like, "Oh yeah, that's a nice hat." That no, no. I mean, Traders isn't even like that, and Traders is into women. Like, what the fuck?
Now, Traders is a funny person. Now, she's done some things that I laugh my ass off. Some of the things that happen, like some of her people that she's portrayed,
Yeah,
her dress ups is just spot on.
I know. I love it. Oh, yeah.
So
She's great. She's great with it. And the thing is with Traders, like she just runs and does it. She don't think about it. You know what I'm saying? She doesn't overthink or try to prepare whatever. I'll throw out all the props. Um, and it was so fun buying her the hat for you. She had she had no idea, right? And so I ordered it and it came in a couple days later. She got home from work and I'm like, I have a surprise for you. You have to sit down. She's like, okay. She opens up the box, pulls the
right.
hat out, and she's like, oh my God, you're the best mom. And she ran right to her room to get her stuff together and go do a video. Oh. So I've been trying to get her a visit from Mama TT to come on your panel.
Wow.
Yes. Mama TT hasn't seen you in quite a while. Um, you guys have some things to settle up now. I heard there were some little cup babies that were born. Did you know about that?
I did.
You are a father.
Oh wow.
Yes. And you're going to need to handle that with Mama TT. You can't leave her a single mother out here.
Right. You're exactly right.
Yeah. You really got to handle that. So I will contact her and then I'll set it up with you, okay?
Cool deal.
Yeah, she's in hiding. Oh, I heard Beloved Ghost. Um, we were talking about doing a baby shower.
Oh
Okay.
wow.
And Beloved Ghost wants to be the godmother of the tiger cub.
Oh wow.
Yes, and I really feel that that is a perfect. I mean, who could step in better and teach that cub the tiger ways?
The beloved
The,
ghost.
right. Telling
Wow.
you. Telling you. Yeah. You know, I mean, these kids are growing quick. We got to get it. We got to get on it.
Mm-hmm.
So, I don't know.
Well, I'm glad you came up and let me know what was going on about because I was like, good God, I was left out in the dirt. I was like, good God.
You're welcome. I didn't want to contact you Sunday. I was spending time with the kids and stuff. And so I waited today to contact you about, yeah,
Now, when was this discussion you had with him exactly?
Saturday night.
Hmm.
Out of nowhere. Out of the blue. My phone rang.
You're right.
and
I
my
mean that.
personal phone number.
So he's got your personal phone number then.
Hmm. Well, they have my address and everything. Because I did jump his ass about that. The Liberators told him all these bullshit lies, like when they tried to come to you with stuff about me for I was supposedly River Blue and all this crap. They, him and the Liberators were going around doxing, which my name is already out because I started on my name and then I changed it after I left. But start doxing my phone number. In his chat, ATILs. Because one morning, Traders was in there talking, chopping it up with people, and these troll accounts come in and said, "Oh, where's Angel Carol? Blah 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 blah." And Traders goes, "She's right next to me, fools." And then all of a sudden, there goes my address flashing in the chat. I said, "Oh, nice moves. Nice
Wow.
moves." Yeah. But now I don't know if you seen it the other day when the Liberators came in your chat, the end of last week. And a few people, did state to them that they didn't care for them being there because
Right.
of all the bullshit they've pulled. Now, nobody got out of hand with them. They just were very honest.
Mm-hmm.
And the Liberators started threatening people in your chat. I was like, whoa, put the mods, you got good mods. Good mods took care of it. But yeah, I would keep them away from your chat
Right.
because they're trying to have
Who
online
is
yard
Who is
sales.
Squeak Easy? Who is Squeak Easy? I keep hearing Squeak Easy.
Oh, that little squeaky boy. He is a Canadian. His channel name is Speakeasy. But he calls himself a rapper, kind of. And he is a YouTuber, but Betty Washam has been running with him and grooming him to be her sub.
Oh, okay.
Her
So
and her
I
be a
can't find
guy.
it. I can't find the channel. I was looking for it, and I was like, "Is it just Speak Easy or Squeak Easy? Or is it
No,
Squeak
it's
Easy?"
something before that. We can send you a link.
Okay.
But she's also she was trying to basically sell her daughter to him. I mean, she's pimping out her kid to all these people. It's really gross. Betty's got some freaking issues.
So does he do any rapping?
Yeah, it's not good. It's not good. It is bad. The
I'm gonna have to
girl,
look at.
the girl on his video, she's a pretty girl, but she's a pretty girl. I'm not going to talk about the girl because she is a pretty girl, and she's just doing a job being on a video. I know some people think it might be one of his cousins or something, but
Air Force says he's a wannabe Vanilla Ice.
you know, um, Vanilla Ice was a lot better. Just saying.
Oh my God! So there's another girl involved in it, huh? Another
Yes.
girl on his channel. Well, that'd be another one that likes me probably. I'll go and smile and see what she thinks about my dimples. Who knows?
Watch out. Watch out.
I get into a different one.
And you gotta be careful. These females on a lot of these females out here on YouTube, They're thirsty as hell.
Right.
Very thirsty. Which, your email was clogged up with it,
Exactly.
Yeah,
Oh, my email stays clogged up.
yeah, that's crazy. That's nuts.
Well, I appreciate you coming up and everything, and
Yeah,
letting
thanks
me
for
know what
having
was
me.
going on. If I do get any videos, I will send to you. And if you want any of my explicit videos,
Well,
any of
thank
my
you.
explicit videos, I'll send them to you also.
Well, thank you. All right, Ernie. Thanks a lot. I'll talk to you later.
Okay, be good, be safe.
All right, bye-bye.
Okay, guys. Well, you heard it. I mean, good God, I can't do nothing here. So, like I said, there's a reason they use YouTube for the hunting grounds. Yeah, I mean, so everybody's been wanting to know the situation that's going on. And to be honest, I think tomorrow a lot's going to be taken care of. Tomorrow is not a holiday. There's a lot going on, and I think a lot of people's minds will be put to ease tomorrow. Just saying, because I heard something and I seen something with my own eyes with the police, and I think it's done. Just to be honest with you, he did. He said, "Zoom in." Okay, it goes oppositional effect. I tell you, crazy. Thank you, Barbara Waters, and all the new mods have helped lately, and I'm so happy we're most of us joining forces. It is. Raylan said, yeah, okay, what's what I thought, Oppo? You have to watch Ghost because Oppo comes up with some crazy shit. Literally. Just reading the message I just got. Oh my God. I'll be putting these text messages on my community wall. That way people can see them. But some of them are just way out there. I mean, this is a psycho we're dealing with. This guy, he's a psycho. That's all I'm gonna say. Are you in the bathtub with Smoky Mountain Mama? Oh my God. Drinking the water right now. Smoky Mountain Mama's wasted right now in the bathtub. I just got off the phone with her. She was about to drown. She is so wasted. Wow. When I left just a while ago, she was still in a towel. So she hadn't made it to the bathtub yet. So when I left, she was still in a towel. Go back and save her. Look, I'm already back at the hotel. I've already had my fill. I already I've already done what I need to do. Ghost, look, I've already went through text message after text message of people crying, people called on the phone and crying, people crying. I tell you, it was bad. I'm not a biker. I'm not a biker, Nicolina, so I'm not using it as a biker. No, I'm not. Plus, it ain't got the diamond on it. So I don't know exactly what's going on with this psycho, but I think tomorrow a lot of people are going to understand. People will see the difference tomorrow. I'm going to keep looking at the records and stuff and see. Matt B43, I'm pretty sure they're from him. I'm pretty sure they're from him. I'm reading comments here. Look, guys, here's the thing. Here's the thing. She likes her box wine. I don't know. All I know is he was on the phone, he called, and he was whining and crying, and that's all I know. I'm this big. Gamer Girl 2000 says, I'm so lost. I'm lost too. I'm just drinking me some Mountain Dew to eat. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? That's a good one. Sapphire says Ernie is in the middle of it, like we are. We are lost. It's too much. Look, I already got my feel of it. Yeah, I'm literally saying this. I already got my feel of it. And I just say let the tears roll. That's all I'm gonna say with it. How you say your name? How you doing? We knew Ernie would be pulled into it. He gets pulled into everything. Lord have mercy. So she says stuff that she don't say to Ernie. Oh, Lori said, "What does that feel of it mean?" Well, when you dip and dap in things, you just dip and dap in it and get away. Vanessa, sweetie, I'm being very, very careful. Very careful. You're right. Be nice. No piece of ass is more important than the well-being of kids. You're right. No golden lining or nothing. A woodchuck could chuck a wood. If a woodchuck, yeah, exactly. Crime, crime, crime. Look, I've already talked to. I'm not going to say. I've already been there and done that. Let's just say, look, for the situation that everybody's talking about now, I've already been there and done that. Simple. I'm good. I'm good. I'm getting texts like crazy now. I'm counting on him to use his noggin or to use that noggin. So I have said right before he chugged the other type of Mountain Dew. Oh yeah, you guys are right. But you're right. I mean, you're right on what y'all say. Everybody has a right to believe however they want to believe. It's just taking the audio out every time I'm getting like calls and I'm getting texts. I know, guys. I know you guys are worried about. That's all right. I'm good. I'm good. Hello, Sunshine Princess. How you doing? Oh yeah, you're right. Thank you, Raylan. Appreciate it. I can't believe he's still texting and calling. I mean, calling. Sorry about that. Not texting, but calling. So, guys, every time I get a call, my mute button it automatically kicks in because it's muting this and want me to go to the call, and I'm not taking the call. Hold on, I'll get y'all the number. 929-430. It's him. So I mean that's him. Get you some good sleep, stage name. Good night. He won't message me back because he's in love, so he forgets about best friend. Look, hold on 1 second. We're gonna call. We're gonna do some things. Hold on 1 second. Let me get my button out here. 929-430, and I ain't gonna tell the last four. It's him. Hold on, I'll call him. Hold on 1 second. Hell, my other phone. Oh God! 40 hails and 10 chickens and a rebound. Okay. Hold on a second, guys. Let's see. No, motherfucker. Here we go. Watch this.
I'm sorry, but the person you called has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet. Goodbye.
Oh, it ain't been set up yet. So, Rap, if you're watching, which you are, I know you're watching because you're sitting here freaking calling. But listen, you don't deserve to get any more explicit videos from Smoky Mountain Mama. So, asking other people if I've sent her videos or to other people and everything, that's kind of a lame deal. That's lame, bro. Nobody's cool with Rap. He's calling me again. I'm not gonna be able to finish this live. I'm getting calls like crazy. Rap wanting to see you spanking the monkey. Okay, I think I got it fixed. Gamer Girl 2000, though, rap must be mad that Ernie was with Smoky Mountain Mama. You know, if you look back a year and a half ago when all this bullshit first started, and you look at everything rap done to me, it was only fair. It was only fair for me to fuck his girl, right? It would only be fair for me to fuck his girl, right? Come on. Right? Right? Come on now. I mean, come on. Look, I'm being straight out nice about it. It's the easiest way about it I could be. So, everybody wants to talk about tiger cubs. Everybody wants to talk about tiger cubs. Look, as long as you put two rubbers on, right? As long as you put two rubbers on, you're fine. Two rubbers. You have to have two. I'm just. Oh, God. You all know me better than that. Come on now. Oppositional vector and green. It would be pretty good. It would be pretty rude if I did. Just a thought. Look, I put the marshmallow head on. Oh, this guy, come on now. No, I'm just playing. Look, gentlemen don't kiss and tell, right? You ever heard of that? Gentlemen don't kiss and tell. Oh, be nice in a heartbeat. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm being nice, guys. Come on now. They're immature. You're supposed to be the adult. I do supposed to be the adult, but every once in a while you gotta let loose and have fun. Everyone kisses and tells nowadays. They do. You're right, but I don't. I'll leave it all to the imagination. Exactly. Look, I have people. I'm very mature. Right, Jessica. You're right. I'm not. I'm not into that. Gamer Girl said we saw the girl on the bed. Well, look, the girl on the bed. That's a different story. That's a different story. That's a different story. Oh yeah, very different story. See, Digital says, so what's the end game on this rap nonsense? hopefully tomorrow. Ghost did something that I couldn't believe. I can't believe Ghost pulled it up and porn bombed himself. That was crazy. Because I didn't have the clip until Dante sent it to me. When Dante sent it to me, I sent it to two other people, but he sent it to Ghost, and that was the funniest shit ever. Ghost is that are like he's gonna get expression. He's wanting everybody to see his expression. He didn't know it was gonna pull up on his main screen, and he was like, "Oh hell, oh my god!" Definitely a Southern Belle's ass. She is a Southern Belle ass. It is dark hair, perfect, pretty woman. Beautiful woman, beautiful woman. Oh yeah, for sure. hmm I think the age difference in rap and SMM has a big age difference, and that matters. Well, the thing about rap is he's still a kid, and he's going to get hurt. Kids get hurt playing adult games. Another phone call. I couldn't get it off the mute button. So hopefully tomorrow it'll be game over for rap. I'm just hoping tomorrow it's game over, and then we can start on others. So with that being said, everybody, much respect. God bless you all. I gotta get some sleep. I got a big day tomorrow. Traveling a little bit. Going to be talking to a sheriff and seeing what all's happened. So much respect. God bless you all. Thank you all for fighting a good fight. If you want to donate, donate. If you don't, don't. To everybody who's donated, appreciate it. Ghost, if you want to use any of this, you don't have to fast forward in the video. You can use it as it is. I'm not going to strike you or nothing like that. You have my permission to use anything I have. Much respect. God bless you all. If you want to donate, donate. If you don't, don't. See you guys.
Thank you.